Willow, are we at the dentist?
No.
Yes, we are. Are you excited about the dentist? Yeah. Smile. Let me see you make a W. Look how she's holding her crayon. Just right. Wow, such a good job. Trying to make a W. She made this W right here. She did that. Will. Here, look at you in the big girl chair.
I'm gonna lay your chair back. You see, Sissy?
Wow.
It's gonna lay back like Sissy's chair, okay?
And then you can watch the TV if you want. Well, you can lean back. I know it goes kind of far.
There you go. And these
Good
are for you.
job.
Just for Miss Willow.
Oh, you're so cute.
Can you see Frozen? Yeah. Okay, big girl. Would you like mint or marshmallow for her mom?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. Mint, you might say it's too spicy.
Miss Willow.
Watching up there.
Mama, would you like fluoride for her teeth today?
I don't know.
She can eat and drink right afterward.
Okay.
If it's okay if they swallow it. It won't affect their stomach at all.
Okay.
We highly recommend it, and the ADA recommends it because it does help strengthen their enamel, especially with her being a breastfed baby.
I guess we should.
And she would only have it at the 6
And
month
she's
age.
still breastfeeding.
That's okay.
So
That's okay.
she probably should.
That's okay.
And she's lip tied, so we have a little trouble up here sometimes. So
okay.
I guess we better.
Okay.
But I just didn't know what she was going to let you do and all that, you
We'll
know.
give it a shot, and they taste like vanilla toothpaste.
Oh, okay.
So I think she'll like it. Miss Willow. This is the toothbrush that we used on brother and sister today, okay? It just spins like this. It goes tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. And it's gonna make your princess teeth super shiny. Is that okay? Okay, big girl. Okay. Miss Maya's gonna put her light right here, so that way I can count your princess teeth with you. Is that okay? Okay, honey bun. Okay. Can you open so big for me? Ah. Wow. Let's count. 1. Let me brush. Wow. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I got 2 more over here. Let me see.
So, Preston, you like the job?
Oh, wow. Look at how shiny they're getting. Thank you, ma'am. Does that taste like marshmallow? Is it yummy? Yeah. Okay, can I go around the front? Let's go around the front. You want to do it with me?
So, like, what time
Okay, you do it with me. Let's do it together.
Oh.
You will hold it? We got finished brushing so that way you can get your prizes, okay? Oh, it's okay, Miss Willow. It's just getting your princess sparkles on there, okay?
Yeah.
You want to hold your new toothbrush for me? Yeah? It has Frozen on it.
Yeah.
And Princess
That
Elsa.
part you gotta like. Because it's like you have a whole day.
Okay, well I put my toothbrush down. Can I look? Okay, let me look. What about if I grab you some stickers? Nothing in my hands, honey.
It's okay. She's just looking.
Yeah, we're just gonna count. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? There's no toothbrush. Let me just look. You smile big.
Good job, Willow.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Sit your butt, sit that girl.
Oh, no.
There you go, princess. Okay.
Good
Let
job.
me look one more time. Let me see. I'm counting. Oh, I know it. I know.
Oh, you're being so
I
good,
know.
Willow. You're doing
Okay.
such a good job.
Okay. Dr. Emily is going to come over, Miss Willow, and she's going to count your pretty teeth, and then we can get some stickers and go up front and get prizes. Does that sound fun? Okay, but you gotta be brave for me, okay? Oh, I know you can. Whoa!
Oh
What do those do? What's it do, Willow?
What's it called? What is that?
What do you call it?
What is it, Will? We call it squishy.
You show me.
Oh,
show
yeah.
me.
Can you show how to brush your teeth? How do you do it?
You show me?
Yes.
Wowzers. You get the, oh, go in your mouth. There you go. Get those top ones.
Good job,
You
Willow.
get your top ones. You brush. You brush. Okay. You got that one. Okay. You get it.
Good
Yes.
job.
Okay. Miss Maya's turn. You did it. Now it's Maya's turn.
Can you let her do it, please? It'll make them so pretty.
Can you show her your squishy? Can I see your squishy? Oh, I like it. Can you show her your new toothbrush too?
Oh, what is it got on it? What's on there? Oh, is that what is that? Is that Rapunzel? Oh, hold on, Miss Willow. Oh, it tickles, it tickles, it tickles.
Oh, good job. Oh, my goodness.
I know. I know. Okay.
Okay, very
Oh, you're doing so good.
Okay.
Oh, good job,
You
Willow.
want water?
Put some water.
You want water?
Some water. Here, have some water.
Water?
To rinse it
Here,
off.
look.
It's
Miss
water.
Maya show you. It's water.
See?
Look it.
You want a drink?
When it rinse it off,
Sugar.
baby.
It's okay. Let's get that off. There we go. All better.
I'm making it
Oh,
clean.
see? Look. So shiny.
Yay!
Wow. Good job. High five, big girl.
Good job.
You are so brave.
Am I crazy or do they look so white already just from that?
Would you like to take home some bubblegum toothpaste? Or mint? Because I might have some red dye in the bubblegum. I don't think so, but it might.
How about just toothbrush?
Just the toothbrush.
She probably won't use either one.
Either one. Okay.
You did so good, Willow.
You want to go pick
so
out some
good.
stickers? Too. Yeah. Okay, let me sit you up so we can get your stickers. Here we go.
Oh, let the chair do it.
All the way down. Can I steal your shades? Can I steal these for a moment?
And look,
Hey,
everybody
girl.
else has a goodie bag. I want you to have
Yay.
one too. Okay?
You did
Okay,
so
Willow.
good.
Let's go get stickers. You ready? Okay, come with me.
So good.
Let's go get your stickers. Let's go this way. They're around this way. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
All right.
Take this. And
Not so upset she can't make decisions.
There we go. Is that perfect? Yeah. Okay, big girl. You want to go watch Frozen for a sec? No. No. Okay, honey. Okay. We're just gonna sit. That's all. Are you so big?
Did
Yeah.
you survive?
So big.
Mommy, see. Oh, it looks so much better. Wow.
Brush.
Wow, that looks so good.
How is he so big? High five.
She's like, wait. Okay.
Oh, I know you have your hands full, don't
I
you?
know.
You got stickers over there? Yeah. Did you get Encanto stickers? Mm-hmm. Did you brush your teeth? Yeah. Oh, look how sparkly they are. We're gonna count them. We're gonna see how many teeth Willow has.
Can you smile? There you go.
Go. One. Where's the back one? Can you go? Thank you. Yeah, look up way at the sky so I can see the top one. Oh, yes, perfect. Let's see this one. Ah. Good job. Beautiful. Awesome. Did I hear you said she had a tongue tie or
Lip tie on
lip
top.
tie? Yep. I was like, I was walking by and I heard you say something.
Yeah.
And I was like, what did you say?
It sits on there sometimes, so we try to. We try to brush up there really good because it.
Yeah, because
You
it's
can
harder.
definitely tell
Yeah.
that it sits in
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, and it's almost like you have to come from this side and then this side
Yeah.
to get around.
Yeah.
It. Yeah, which is fine as long as it's not, causing other problems.
Right.
It's not a big deal.
Mayo, so pretty. Do you like the dentist? Do you like coming to the dentist? Is it a good idea to brush your teeth? Yes. Willow, did you have fun at the dentist? Yeah? Yay! You did such a good job. Such a big girl.